In medical device development, risk management is often treated like a paperwork exercise, a stack of FMEAs, fault trees, and templates that get filled out to satisfy an auditor. But real ISO 14971 risk management should guide design decisions, engineering priorities, verification planning, and ultimately the safety of the device in the field. A risk file is not a binder for the shelf, it is the blueprint for safer, smarter product development. True risk management begins with identifying real hazards, patient harms, and clinical failure modes, not theoretical scenarios that have little chance of occurring. Your severity ratings must reflect actual clinical consequences backed by literature, clinician feedback, and real-world understanding. Your probability estimates should be evidence-based, not guesses. They should come from bench testing, simulated use, historical data, reliability models, and software architecture analysis. ISO 14971 is not about creative brainstorming. It is about systematic identification of how a device can fail and how those failures affect patients and users. From there, the design must show clear, intentional risk reduction. If sharp edges pose a laceration hazard, you need mechanical design changes and measured reduction in edge radius. If battery faults create thermal risk, you need thermal cutoff circuits, safety circuits, and a fault-tolerant design. If your active device presents hazards of over-delivery or under-delivery, your architecture needs watchdog timers, dose accuracy controls, alarm thresholds, and software controls that protect against runaway conditions. Risk controls must be real, implemented, and effective, not simply written in a list. Verification is the proof. If you identify a harm like over-delivery in an infusion pump, you must test accuracy drift, failure response, alarm recognition, and shutdown behavior under worst-case conditions, not assume compliance because a requirement was drafted. If your usability analysis identifies a risk of incorrect setup, you must validate labeling, UI layout, color coding, and workflow steps through summative testing. ISO 14971 requires objective evidence, not optimism. Risk management should reduce your development time, not increase it. When risk files clearly show the logic behind every design decision, audits go faster, design reviews are tighter, and verification becomes predictable. You catch problems early because the risk file tells you where to look. At Concise Engineering, risk management isn't theater, it is the foundation of sound engineering. We build risk files that increase patient safety, strengthen submissions, and shorten audits by proving that every control is real, traceable, and verified. If you want risk to work for you instead of against you, let's make ISO 14971 the smartest part of your development plan.